So hello everyone. So welcome to Cloud Institution. Today in this video we're going to see another very important and very interesting topic on Terraform series, that is Terraform format function with the workspace. Okay, so now let's see about what is Terraform format function will do and what's the output it gives and what's the purpose. Okay, so now let's see what is Terraform function for format function. So Terraform format functions produces a string by formatting the number of other values according to the specification string. It's similar to the printf function in C. Okay, so we have seen the printf function and we will be replacing the variables, right? So now, and other similar functions in other programming language. Okay, so now we can see the format. Okay, so the format and the specs equal to value, right? So we're going to see this in a real time. Okay, now I have a simple Terraform script. Okay, so in this I have having a so each instance which I can create it, but it is not required for now. Now what I'm going to do is that so I'm just keeping only the Terraform local files. Okay, so now is what you can see, the Terraform environment is equal to terraform.workspace. Okay, so the now the current environment output, so I want to see that what is Terraform workspace is all about. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pass this Terraform output with the Terraform environment. Okay, sorry, I'm going to give environment, right? Environment, enviro okay, environment. Okay, so the current environment over here and then the current environment output. Okay, so the current environment output over here as well. Okay, now what happens is that I'm going to check that current, I'm going to check the Terraform workspace. Now so now Terraform workspace list is what I'm going to give. Now the Terraform's current workspace is be selecting to staging. Okay, so we have already seen a lot of Terraform workspace tutorials in the previous session. So please go and check it if you're not watched it. Okay. Now I'm going to pass in that the environmental current environment output which has been coming from here. Okay. Now I want to replace this is okay. So this is the current environment is $s. So $s will be taking the value of okay the local dot current environment. All right, so that's what we have called it as a spec is equal to value. So this is kind of a spec. This is the spec is going to be the value of it. Okay, so spec is going to be $s. Okay, we can also have $d and all the other stuff, right? So for now, this video we're going to see about $s. $s is going to be the current environment is going to be taking it up. So the current environment is what is going to be applying you as a output. Okay, so the value is going to be local dot current environment output. It goes here. This one will read it from here. Okay, this one will reference to here. This one will reference to the above one. Okay, now let's see what is this output is going to be giving. Okay, so if you do Terraform plan, okay, it's going to be showing the okay apply format is equal to the output. Okay, so the current environment is staging. Okay, as you can see here, what's the workspace is showing workspace show. If you can see, it's showing me the staging. So now I'm going to select the Terraform workspace is going to be dev. Sorry, it's going to be dev. I'm going to be choosing. So now if I choose dev, the Terraform plan, then it should be showing kind of a so the current environment is this dev, right? So it's already been picking it up based on that Terraform workspace. Okay, so now we can make it to okay prod. Okay, so now if you see that prod Terraform workspace show, so current workspace is prod. Okay, now the Terraform plan automatically should show the plan of the current environment, which is the current environment is prod. All right, so this is what something that Terraform format will be giving it to us as an output. Okay, if you want to print out, so what is the current environment? Okay, so based on the output, whatever the based on the input, whatever we are giving in the Terraform workspace, so that's going to be showing it over here. Okay, Now this is what the format, guys. You'll be I hope you understand this what is Terraform format, and format is going to be used to retrieve the output from the input whatever we are trying to give. Like, so it's going to be having as a spec and then value. Okay, so the value is going to be printing it out in the output. Okay, so that's all about this Terraform format function. Okay, so if you understand this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you think that is really helpful, okay, so please stay tuned for us on the next videos, and we'll be posting a lot of different videos in the future. Okay, so thank you guys. See you again in the next video.